Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Okay, if you missed lesson 1, all about what Excel actually is, be sure to check that out first. It sets the big picture. But today, we're going to zoom in on the most important part of Excel, cells, rows, and columns, and how to move around them like a pro. Let's start with the basics. What's a cell? A cell is just one little box in Excel. It's where you type things like names, numbers, dates, or formulas. You can click in a cell with your mouse or move around using your arrows on your keyboard. Now, what are rows and columns? Rows go side to side and each one is numbered like 1, 2, and 3. Columns go up and down and each one has a letter A, B, C. Where a row and a column meet, that's called a cell. It's a bit like a battleship. A1, B2, C3, you're calling out the coordinates. Each cell has an address based on its column and row. For example, A1 equals column A, row 1. B2 equals column B, row 2. F10 equals column F, row 10. You'll also see that address here. This little box above the grid is called the name box. Getting around Excel becomes second nature once you've practiced. You can click with your mouse, use the arrow keys, press tab to move right, press enter to move down, use shift plus tab, or shift plus enter to go backwards. So now you know your way around the Excel grid and how to work with rows, columns, and cells. These little boxes are where all the real work happens. So this is a huge first step. If you want to give it a go, here's a little task you can try right now. Open Excel, click on cell A1 and type your name. In cell A2, type today's date. In cell A3, type 3 things you want to track. It could be shopping, goals, anything. And that's it, well done. You've just navigated around a spreadsheet using rows, columns, and cells. Okay everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.